What's up, everybody? It's your girl, I'm like Lisa. You know what it is. Well, you guys, today is my birthday, actually. And so, I'm super excited to be making this video. Excuse the noise in the background because my neighbor is getting some landscaping done for whatever reason today. But anyways, besides that, it is my birthday, and I'm so excited because I got BMW parts for my birthday. So today we're going to be doing some little upgrades to Boomba that I'm super excited about because I've been wanting to do these little upgrades. It's nothing like, crazy, but just little stuff that I've wanted to do. And there will be more to come, but this is just the warm-up. This is just getting started. So I am going to go ahead. I'm going to show you what I got. And yeah, we're just going to kind of go along, do it together. It's kind of like a tutorial in a way. So yeah. All right, let me show you what I got. I'm so excited. Okay, so first order of business is I got the M Performance toe strap. All right, so I did want this one in particular because of that red accent that I know is just going to look absolutely phenomenal in the front, that touch of red. So I got this one, and then I also got the M Performance gas cap. Okay, I mean, because come on now, she's got all the carbon, so why not the gas cap? Okay, but the one that I'm like super excited about, and I'll eventually get the rest of this to add on to the collection, is the Alcantara armrest. Whoops. So yes, I am super excited about this part because you guys know I got the flat bottom Alcantara steering wheel, so this is just really going to look phenomenal and feel phenomenal on my arm. Like, I'm really looking forward to this. So alright, so yeah, my brother is going to be supervising me and helping me install because I would hate to do anything that would harm my car in any way or scratch it or anything stupid like that. So he's definitely going to be helping me and assisting me along the way. So, alright, let's get into it. What's up, you guys? Alright, so it has been a little while since my birthday when we started this little tutorial video of these little mods. So now I just wanted to follow up and actually finish because I wanted to do it all at the same time. So I just wanted to wait so I could get it all done at once. So, okay, tow hook cover. Like I showed you guys, they had little decals, like stencils, where you could cut it yourself and do it that way. But what we found out was that on the website you could actually just order one already done and ready to go. So this was from IND. Yes, IND. Yes, just want to make sure I got the acronym correct. So IND makes these to order for my individual color, Voodoo Blue, and so now we're actually able to do this. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get started and get right into it. having a field day with my car. So I went and got it washed. But anyway, so, yes, I'm obsessed. I've always wanted one of these. So the fact that I literally have my track car and now I have my real tow hook is absolutely amazing. I'm so excited for that. And I think it's just, I don't know, just really sets it off. That little touch of red lets you know she's ready for the racetrack, right? And the gas cap, actually, you know, as silly as it was that it really was just a cover with some, like, you know, 3M tape, honestly, it really set it off. Like, I don't know, it's just a nice little, you know, glimmer of carbon when you open up the door. So honestly, I think it actually really took it up, like, to the next level, and it looks really good, and it's actually real carbon, so pretty cool. You know, because I can't have enough carbon on her. And the Alcantara armrest, oh my goodness, can I just say that when we just went for a drive, it felt so nice on my arm. No more, you know, stickiness, because right now it's summer, or, you know, like just resting on it, it'll get like a little dent, you know. It doesn't do any of that. It feels amazing. I love it on my steering wheel, so I knew I was gonna just be obsessed with it as an armrest. So totally worth it. This is, you know, just kind of like the beginning. I might have some other things in store to like really set it all off on the interior, but I digress. Totally worth it. I am so grateful to my wonderful husband for getting me these gifts for my birthday. You're the best. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. It really wasn't that bad. About 20 minutes total. I mean, these were like really tiny little things. Just need some trim tools, and that was really it. Some type of screwdriver or a pick tool. Yeah, I mean, it was pretty easy. So thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that support. You know I appreciate it. I'm your girl, I'm Life with Lisa. God bless, and I'll catch you in the next one.